Hello Breeze! It's me again, Rain Breeze, and for today's video, we're going to sell 5 different fashion styles from different eras, namely the Renaissance era, the Baroque era, the Rococo or Georgian era, the Regency era, and last is the Victorian era, here in Dress to Impress Free Play. So, let's make haste!